Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make PayPal money and how to make $100 a day using Google, and that's 100% free. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make PayPal money and make $100 a day using Google. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is one of the best ways that you actually can find some affiliate links. Like, just go there, go to Clickbank and find a product that really interests you. And how do you find a product that you know is going to sell? Because so many people think that you just go to Clickbank, find something and it's just going to sell, just like, whatever you want. I think there's a way to say that. Anyway, so you go to Clickbank and you are going to sort by gravity. What gravity means is that the product sells, basically. Like, if you sort by gravity, it's going to get you the products that sell the best to the products that sell the least. So just find a niche in Clickbank. If you don't know, Clickbank is something that's 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything because that strategy is going to be 100% free. But you have to, find a product that's interesting to you in a niche that you actually like. Then you're going to sort it by gravity. So maybe you find something and you want to do it in the weight loss niche, because you've lost some weight maybe and you know about that, and you find a product that's going to be like that, and you find something that appeals to you, you're going to get paid enough, and that's all on Clickbank. You can see that. Sort by gravity, so you find the best ones. Then you get that link. Getting that link is really easy. All you have to do is get link. I think that's the button that it's called. It's really simple, and you get the link. Now what you're going to do is you're going to find people asking for help in that niche. So where do you find these people? Well, that's the research that you have to do. You have to go on forums, for example. People are really fans of forums. You can go all over the place. There are a ton of forums that people like. Maybe it's people that have blogs. If you find an article that helps people how to lose weight and you can comment on that, then that's another great way. The next one that you can do is go to Quora.com. Quora has a ton of people asking for, advice. So as you can see, there's a ton of ways to do this. However, there is a twist to Quora, but we'll get into that just a bit later on. So what you do is you're going to help people out. Don't just spam your link, because that is going to get people running away from you as fast as possible. What you want to do instead is help people out. So if people are trying to lose weight because you found that niche, and by the way, that works with any niche, whether it's cooking, repairing cars, I keep on doing the same examples, but you get the idea. No matter what link you have, or niche you have, it absolutely works the exact same way. So just find a niche that you really like. Maybe it's camping or whatever. Camping is a good one, by the way. So if you're into camping, there's probably a ton of groups that are out there. There's all sorts of ways. So anyway, I'm sidetracking a bit, but any niche works like that. So we're in the weight loss niche. So what you're going to do is you're going to get that link and you're going to find forums and you're going to answer people's questions. People will have some questions, or maybe you just want to read the article and add some things to it. If you know about that, then just like add to it, and at the end just say something like, also the one thing that really helped me out the best was to use this product. This product really served me in X way. This is what it did. This is probably the best thing that I did. Like something along these lines, and don't lie about it. Like just say it genuinely, like really helping people out. So the one twist that you're going to have to Quora, and that's something that I would advise you to do anyway, like if you're doing this on any forum or, you know, blog post or whatever, the one thing that I would advise you to do is to actually create a landing page. The reason why you have to do this on Quora is because they will not allow links to affiliate offers. That's just a fact. You cannot do that. Like, they will delete your post, they'll probably delete your account as well. So that's the reason why you want to do this. But you also want to do this on other ways if you can. Like, I'm saying if you can, but like really you should, is to actually create a landing page. And if you want to create a landing page, you just, you know, I have a link in the description to join my Builderall affiliate team, or, you know, Builderall team. But that is a way that you're going to be able to like create a landing page and create a real sales funnel. And you're really, like, it's not that hard to actually create. Like, there's a ton of tutorials out there that will teach you how to do that. Like, you build a landing page, then send people, and those people enter their name and email, then they get sent to like somewhere where, you know, you talk about that product that can help them and all that stuff. And then you're going to have that affiliate link. And the reason why you want to do this is you're going to be able to send them offer after offer. And even if it's the same offer, just tell all the benefits and then send them the next day another email saying that's what helped and all these things. And by the way, all of these, like these emails are automatic. So don't worry about writing emails every single day. You just have to write it one time and that's it. But that is going to allow you to like sell them over and over and over again without really too much hassle. But if you just post your affiliate links, they're not really your client. Yes, you might get like some money, but that's it. And if you post on Quora, you won't even be able to do that. So make sure that you actually build a sales funnel. So if you're interested in doing that for extremely cheap, you can check out the link in the description to join my Builderall team. So that is how you actually do that. Like, it's really simple. That's what you do. It might sound like a lot, but if you go through this video a second time, maybe you'll understand like really what it is. But if you really, I'll go over it one more time. Go to ClickBank. Find a product that you like by sorting it by gravity and finding a niche. So first find your niche, then sort by gravity. Then you get the link, like that's really simple. Click on a button and then you find places where you can help them. Forums, Quora, etc. Then you can either post the affiliate links directly, which I would highly suggest you don't, or you can create a sales funnel, and that's, you know, I won't go into detail once again because you get, like I just talked about it. And that's how you actually can make $100 a day using Google. You can even make way more than $100 a day. You can make $200, $300, $400. It really doesn't matter. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you got a ton of value out of it. If either one of these is true, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.